What's up? Welcome back. My name and my sign name. And today we are learning about if hearing aids are waterproof or not. So first of all, I have two hearing aids, left, right, woo, and they are Oticon Safari, I don't know, 3 something. And yes, they are very old. They're like maybe 8 years old. Oh my god, I'm so old. And they said they're water resistant, which means it's not fully able to submerge in water. But like when I was in high school, that's when I got them, my second pair. Like I play sports and basketball, and like I sweat, and a drop of sweat, done. Can't hear a thing. So not really. They're not waterproof. Like you can't submerge, you can't do any water activity, even sweat. So it kind of sucks, and it's not really accessible.